we're talking about KPIs. The question that I wanted to ask Craig is, because he studies these KPIs and does such incredible things with data, what tools does your firm use to track the data for each of these KPIs?
Well, the first point is that you need to have a software system that contains your data for your type of case. So in personal injury, there's several. There's Filevine, Litify, Smart Advocate, etc. I happen to use Filevine. I love Filevine. And Filevine has a partner product that they call Domo, also known as Periscope, that takes data from Filevine and then puts it into charts and graphs. So I call Domo the charts and graphs program. So I can measure my KPIs on what I call a dashboard. And my dashboard has about 100 to 200 KPIs on it that I have up on a big screen TV on my wall. It's like a third monitor, a computer monitor, but it's 65 inches like your big screen TV at home. So the first and major platform I use for measuring KPIs is my client management program called Filevine, and the section of Filevine called Periscope, also known as Domo. So Litify has that as part of its program, and Smart Advocate has that also, that capability as part of its program. I suggest that whatever software program you use, that you buy one with the capability to display the data in charts and graphs. So that's the first tool I use. The second is I run my law firm on a system called EOS, Entrepreneurial Operating System. And it also has a software called 90.io. And within that platform, you also track your KPIs. And there are different types of KPIs. They're more administrative KPIs. So we use that to track KPIs as well. So that's called 90.io. And that works with Entrepreneurial Operating System, which is a way of running your company. And the third method I use is simple Excel spreadsheets. Now, we try to not use Excel spreadsheets much. And the reason is because these other two things, they grab the data automatically, Domo, Periscope, and 90. They grab the data from your program. So there's no manual inputting required. When you use Excel spreadsheets, a person has to type that in, and oftentimes there's going to be errors. The formula may be messed up. The human being who typed it in made a typo and typed the wrong number. So I try to stay away from Excel unless I'm doing formula-based analysis. And that's why we do use Excel, because it's the best program that we know of to do things based on formulas when you have to add columns and divide and stuff like that. So those are the three tools I use. And if you're a personal injury law firm and you're not using some data measuring part of your software, it's going to be really challenging to do data and to do KPI measurement.